Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. We're in the first week of April and we are here at the new Zainabiya Complex with a lot going on. And first and foremost, I want to say thank you everyone from home or from all over the world who has supported, donated and contributed during the holy month of Ramadan. So may Allah bless you all, and let's see what your contributions have went towards. So as you can see behind me, there's a lot of wires. This took a lot of planning, a lot of organization with engineers, architects, so many different people inside the team who know what they're doing, electricians, mechanical engineers, just to design and give us an idea on what to do here. You can see there's so many different color cables behind me. Each cable has its own appliance, so it's dedicated for one specific task. The blue one's just for general networking, the orange one is for CCTV, the yellow one's for the intercom, and you can keep going. The red one's obviously fire alarm, you got electricity as the white ones, and there's much more services to come as the team are working hard to implement and add it. If we go towards the studio, you can see obviously it's very echoey here, and inshallah with the team we're going to soundproof all of this, but there's all these wires all over the place, and because our engineers took time and effort to plan and organize what exactly goes where. So in the ceiling you see so many different light sockets, so many different cables coming out, because we planned and organized to make sure that every single aspect of the building, of the studio, is all interconnected, is all working together seamlessly, and this is why it's taken so long. The engineers had to plan and organize. We had the M&E architects, the mechanical and engineering team, to make sure that all of this works. You can see we've even managed to squeeze in pipes in between the walls to make sure we can efficiently use as much space as possible. Now, as you can see, there's also ACs and ventilations in the ceiling. Again, part of all of the long planning we had to do. And over here, you can see the team behind us who are working very, very hard. MashaAllah, they're our own people as well. So we made sure during this project, we bring our own people to come to support and help grow and develop the Zainabiya Complex. Assalamu alaikum, shabab. Hello. So, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. All here hard work. As you can see, this is the Husseiniya. So in the Husseiniya, they're installing the ventilation system. We did a test run today, and he promised me it's going to be very quiet during filming, inshallah. Inshallah. And yeah, there's all of our tools are here. These are all the ACs and ventilation they're going to put up for the whole building, inshallah. As you can see, there's still a lot of work to do, and we need your support, we need your help, and thank you so much for getting us here this far. It took a lot of effort, and a lot of your contributions made it this far. And inshallah, you can keep on supporting us, help spread the message of Imam Hussein and Ahlul Bayt, and please continue to support at imamhussein3.tv/HQ.